Midi eno kutwa so ba twene boda na barima bedi de frem sidi enkyere do meje so adwen na anya adwuma nipadua no bere eyimidini asa agoro enso asem kan eno so yimidini na sebi eburu sebi enyado adwen de nipatirim na oda sani wani na wawa no na wawa so no opa depa na wahwe na waka ho asem ni senti abiri nyina no kutwa so mitena ase ni nyunudwo ewia anopa na bipe bibia hwe internet na so dia
Marope TV, in God we trust.
Ewo ena mewe na dia ma be ho de bia na menya de pati ni se ma subscribe nti to ma beta no man kan as a first line no kan na alert me ma kwa kreke so ka na dem kusu nti sa na me pesa wo na wo wia se dia kwa ye no fa comment eko wia na wa sha ma foforo no mo so enya bia hwediye enu anko hwede be mo akomate hwediye wan ko bibia ansa amfafo amfreme emusam se bidi de sei no mate na sei na tie panyisi e wakura ne wakura konkono pedi waka asempa na wakanya nsasem
abushia memo obi akwaba e de ba Marope TV aha ana nyansa ene nimde ekasa meda wase bebi a wo hwe me firi biara ye bedi nkomo ne pa na videos wo ha ye bedi ho enkomo die dikan Nigeria ni bi Nigeria man go chief someone's child Nigeria ni abrantie bi a wo bi eba last video ye show bi wo bi ba akoda ketewa wakwakoche no a kire se wode na ekwa ani nyanyanya ne a kire se wode na ekoye dia wo beyo e be kwa kohe sa video no ana Nigeria ni abrantie bi asoso eku ono ane wo faase a ko wode na ekoji sikadro nyame ncha de aposifo ensa asonimo de toso biem emama nan emam yenu a wo motondru bone yache wom omoye Nigeria for has been arrested. Nigeria ni abrantie bi nso akọ kidnapper Reverend Father ono so yache no 21 armed robbers, 3 kidnappers arrested in Baileza, Nigeria. Yachiwom. Abushia, the etwato akura, the amedebe shasye, abrantie ya, papa ya okobo ne yere. Sasem we na mempese medi ho nkomo, but yemfa no shasye. Na fe yemfa Nigeria fo nsamsem no enwurem. Me ntwa ye ho enya aboafo nkrato mbra sisia. Yaba ni abawure medin ede Elisha Marope master sabo modi anso be subscribe YouTube channel share link na obia ensanka bi eye Ghana som bi adwumadie ene yeduro so betwa me ho abasema yato aso.
Hi guys, whatever time you are watching me, greetings to you all. I'm Moisha. Whenever I'm in Ghana, the only TV station I watch is Marope TV. So I invite you all to keep watching Marope TV. Marope TV, in God we trust.
Marope TV, in God we trust.
Abusuya masada wasibi osu enya brami yakotwa ye ho abasema mami fanchia Maverick a wo teshi bichia papa mami nchia me in-law awo Canada maasi baba akope o Canada bichia no mami nchia mama Sandra o United States US abroad memo na wo na machia Auntie Monica na machia enwonam o Volta region machia bebre na machia sprinters me mama was sprinters asantoa so Doris asantoa so ewo comments session no ase David appear Bob Santo mo amokeka ho nyina on comment session machia me nua be ma bi woningo anyway mayamfa papa yi a wo bo ne yiri e de enhyase na afa yemu wuram madika ka cho sa hana nyansa ne nimde ekasa na thank God say papa yi ebre story ni ye mehi ye metan maame ne kire se oni papa no kura ntam atete be ya abosumi num maame ne tini baby producer fa brand any picture na to so good na de yakoba na se maame ne papa no friend no se omehwe nkola no I'm sa kwala ne ketwa no wo mu ne yare na maame nso so odo ne mba on akwala ba kogram say 2.5 years we say just say papa na na adwun so on fa kwala ne maame no maame na utim so ye boko maame na nkasa ti papa no friend so yare no maame na nkwa nkodu nte boko o se na kwala yi bobo o mo di agro wo fie ana papa maame ne bi sa papa ne say na die nti na wo frem say mmehwe abo friends no yare die nti na wo yesa afiri papa na no ye trap ene ye ready na wo bekone ene ye papa e bro maame ya chese we brim ni brim tuo bi a eloko pono no na nchira nka nyame so ma che papa na che ebusuafo bi e kan na mom enkrata ba betodwa enie na owari oba bo no sa wagimi asiata like that. Also, in case of he didn't reply the number and the date of the police for Ekrata or my issue on the 18th November 2025. That is and any 3 days. Krata Murishiba Bonte. See, police arrested suspect in viral Facebook video on domestic violence. The Criminal Investigation Department, CID of the Ghana Police Service, has arrested a man captured in a viral Facebook video, physically assaulting a woman believed to be his wife at their residence at Ofankor in the Ghana East Municipality. The suspect, identified as John Odate Lamte, was Odate Lamte by Odate Lamte was arrested on Monday, November 17, 2025 at family residence. Somebody has saying following his arrest, 2 of his siblings, Grace Kushi Lamte and Lois Odate Lamte, who attempted to attack a female tenant they suspected or according and circulating the video, were also arrested, and the tenant was rescued to ensure her safety. Efforts are underway to locate and ensure the safety of the wife who had failed the scheme before the police arrived. The Ghana Police Service remain committed to protecting victims of domestic violence and ensuring that preparation face the full rigor of the law. Chief Inspector Papaya was signed on a Chief Inspector Bright Babanawu. Oh, yes, the more. Yenja no ni anko different case why. Criminal Investigation Department. You untiana ababeto ha chese. Makin kebinti papa ino. Eye so mache no me na emeta ye babufu kra. Eye pass o mache no eye pa. Anyway, enti emema no so hwe na oba ne mboa wa eye simple and short. Brother, jana wako. Aburufu brotro we die. We should learn ema odo se bia no oya de. But anyway, yem free way. Na yanko 21 oriyam yem free wansa. Abrantie bi ankasa onu ankasa ne wafase. Ene wakomo ano. Awo mu ano a wode ne ekoji sikaduru a nyame nchade ya chi. Ne hwe sa video ni brasisia.
Ifeanyi Chukwu DK was arrested on August the 19th for the alleged murder of his niece, 8-year-old Chikamso Meso, but escaped from police custody that same day. After 20 days in hiding, the suspect was eventually captured in Barking Ladi local government area of Plateau State on September the 8th and transported back to Rivers State 2 days later. Not leaving anything to chance, the suspect was paraded before journalists at the command headquarters in Port Harcourt under heavy security.
Today, with profound humility, I present to you the most wanted ritual killer, Mr. Ifeanyi Chukwu Maxwell DK. His arrest was made possible by God Almighty through your numerous prayers and concerns following his escape 3 weeks ago. Your positive actions in information dissemination, both in the print, electronic, and social media, so much circulated even in faraway places of the world. The consciousness of every Nigerian was awakened in the search for this mindless killer.
Though the captured suspect Ifeanyi Chukwu Dike said no one aided him in his escape on that fateful day, how he made his way from Rivers to Plateau State and how he was able to evade being rearrested for almost 1 month are some of the many questions that remain unanswered.
After my statement, it was late. So my IP asked me to go inside the cell. That was when I got the opportunity to run away.
With the capture of the suspected ritualist, father of his 8-year-old victim has called on the police to ensure that all those connected to the murder of his daughter are brought to book.
How do you feel as a father?
How
is she feeling?
I thank God because I said earlier this is the wonders of God. It's not by your power. I didn't try to escape. He gangs that can kill him. Police cannot get him. Or when you made call from that judge there, I didn't call DPO or DC. The one I've called, did the work of God, definitely.
So what do you want police to do?
Justice. Yes.
From the command headquarters, the suspect was later moved to the State Criminal Investigations Department of the police, the same facility from where he previously escaped. The police says he will remain behind bars while investigation into the case continues.
Wankasa wofase we busia video ni yakwa akorheba no wonu ankasa ne wofase wode ne kwachi schedule Nigeria asemi si Nigeria krum wonu ankasa ne wofase wache no na nyame ncha de aposifo akwakoso ne mu sa Nigeria fo nsem ye ka Nigeria ni pabonefo a ye mpese yenye mangana ha ye be nteteni wo. I'm telling you. Now, my main case me. Adwuma ya ye me kwakua 9 Nyash Next TV Rain Akwanaba. It is not easy for us. It should of course buy a sonny threat, but we are doing it for Ghana. Ghana soon be. And Tinya Betesa, Mammy Frenchia Emma Dede Ata. Thank you for buying the table net for us. Yami Sharan, why are they wato Yame and Yanakasia? I was young, ya quite any modia. And you know, I'm robbers 21 and a kidnappers. Kidnappers 3. Yachiwam, I'm robbers, Makmako 21. Kidnappers 3. Yanko has a video number here.
What I got from the man was 17,000 naira.
How much?
It was 17,000, sir.
17,000 from the man.
Yes, sir.
Not 35.
No, sir. It was 17,000, sir.
I was caught with just one cut-to-size local made gun, and when I was caught with the gun, the vigilante group took me to the police station, and we told our guys along with me, which are the same court members with me. I'm very surprised. So more crack cartridges was added to the bag, and two other guns were added to the bag.
The Bayelsa police boss, Asokwo Amba, has words of assurances for people living in the state.
I've equally warned that Bayelsa has no place for robbers and cultists with the kidnappers we have. So we can see for the month, this is the tremendous progress we have made. You can imagine this group of men, if we had allowed them to be unleashed to the society. But thank God today, they are in our own custody.
A police van later took the 21 armed robbers and 3 kidnappers to their various places of detention.
I was here, video neni ya kwakohenu. Armed robbers, the notorious armed robbers. 21. And I put you for some Nigeria fool. They are Nigerians. And a kidnappers. 3. Yachiwom. Just say, Adia san Nigeria good news in free home bow. Bonin kwa mi bejaka. Because I said my true challenge is saying Omufa good news if you send me. Minya good news. The Ecos of Nigeria and allegedly news no secretly something has happened to Tinubu, but me or your president and information me enya reach me we enti me try say menya real evidence. Some news na eba no de no kura de asama to Nigerians. Say no kura pasa sa de na to Tinubu dia ene ebeyem na me pasa meka da kwakoye defamation of character because me nya clear evidence into allegedly but asam no menka maka allegedly but asam no kura menka Tiabusia na say the woman no enkrofo enkrofo mabokro no ache papa na aposifo ahwehwe o mahwehwe o chese wo monsa entumi nya de encome na we na nyame ncha de wo mo yes wo mo kobokro no wo baabi na wonim am robbers na so na sa kire kidnappers na kire akwan so ba ko na kire se o group ni bi kidnappers na say yekoso kidnappers na so be omodo so de bi adwane na miensa na yensa ka o chese krofo eboni o madi na Nigeria ba ni nipakum ne area chese wo mo di mu akotre papa yo e wo jan de ye be free no so na video bi akwa ko hu Nigeria fo bi abamu aketu bi say omode na to odi moto e fa no suku na to atwene ne de ababoro no enye biribia no wayo sa keke chese o mani age ya hemra Ebusia imagine ye tie mu na abrante na enye hwe yeso onye hwe yo Igbo fuwe na ache ne dini boni sa o say omfi Igbo kuro the man is not Igbo man and why enter Igbo fu na Igbo fu no ye ne sei edi moto ni ababuru no life ekuno the man didn't go and steal all because he's not from Igbo and he come to Igbo place. And look at what the Igbos has done to him. Igbo foya mi yanu omo tekuro mu omo so mba omo acquire land. The same Igbo people, the same Nigeria Igbo people. These people, look at the wicked people these people are. This man where they land that they no do nothing. They no go tifo. They said he's not from Igbo. And why is he come to Igbo land? Where did they do him like that? You see, Igbo foya no so ma acquire land. Matisa say allegedly say VDM here akwa kwasi asemi ya wodi sa VDM here Nigeria ne guy ya wa bo office eni ni so much. Matisa say wa to land bi wa Tamale. It alleged obi afrem say wa to land bi wa Tamale. Aso betu ebura se dian yo. Ai asemeni enti Tamale hene ni ma asemu yi. Tamale irati. Na di enti ni e to Ghana land ma foreigners. Medical Cassation we say a land need to be rent for foreigner, not to buy. Because Nippon or a foreigner. On your Ghana ni. And it definitely will be called. Masa, ye juma no ye bro. Be bread to data ye say yes, ye beka kasa muni omuntie. Mugu so tuntonza as a man foreigners. Emphasis here. Na last year made a browna ye koyeni abrantie bi enso so reverend father just a roman for reverend father also reverend father discover one ho enti one me kidnap no a roman for discover ba na mpa so akwa kidnap reverend father na ni group ni bi or a group leader and o makwa kidnap reverend father no a just o maba be che no Nigeria ni o we ye entertain Nigeria for o be kidnap ya so for no too ye show video number.
So what brought you to this place now that you are in handcuffs? What did happen?
What brought me to this place is because of kidnapping case.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who did you kidnap?
Reverend Father, sir.
What is the name of the Reverend Father?
Sir, I don't know his name.
Who is he serving?
Serving a Bemonso, sir.
Speak out loud, let me hear you.
He's serving a Bemonso, sir.
He's serving a Bemonso?
Yes, sir.
You both kidnapped him?
Yes, sir.
Explain how the kidnapping took place.
Sir,
explain the kidnapping.
I cannot just give the details because I don't know where they went to the war, but when they come back...
Who kidnapped him?
It's Anarchy and Co.
Anarchy and Co, are they your boys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You sent your boys to kidnap?
Sir.
And they kidnapped a Reverend Father?
Sir. They came back.
With the Reverend Father?
Yes, sir. They came back with the Reverend Father.
Mm-hmm.
And when I went there...
Meanwhile, from where is your camp?
You talk. Video nene yakwa kwa haba no. Nyame nshira mo nyina onye mo kese. Reverend Father na branch yakwa kwa kidnap no. Reverend Father wo bra no ya sorry gina sorry dey sorry wapon asori ba bedu fie. Obedu fie aka na be park won anini. Cross no chene shekam. As I'm speaking, Omonsanka Reverend Father but gang leader no or your kidnap leader no matching I say or no Babeli the police to go and rescue the Reverend Father. Now asema e wo hono no ene me yesa me mfa kase ebo me mfa yibia mba but nyahe nyame adom ochina na me doctor Saturday na me Dr. Hassan Yarega ene yawada na 20th November 2025 ene 20th November 2025 Saturday na me Dr. Hassan Yarega ebe interview nyame inshallah na wanyo kese na maka kiro se Ghana sumwe edubre wo se MPP ni NDC ya park wo musinchen ni yefa a neutral party obi te se Hassan Ayarega na opel di Ghana na oje Ghana efi foreigners ensem edemaye mechi obebre baby a wo bia mame fa story we ntwato abranche no a wo beka wandishe asem se wandishe and denensa Tracy Shea didn't say one as it's never true. Medica Becase sa sem no nye nokore. And police, as I'm speaking here, just a branch here natural. When the Shea is not like that. I know when the Shea. Minimum when the Shea on yes sir and on to sir. And so what per trender is to define someone and get your trend. Yabema trend. To Wendy, as I'm speaking, Wendy issue. And Wendy, that guy is not here in Ghana, but yes, I be so anymore. Anyway, nyame nka ho onye okese. Nyame adoma mesan ne wo ehia. Asanto abisa se asanto aya frɛ me why. Number no go screen so aya mon frɛ why. Mon frɛ. Nyame hira mo nyina na onye mo kese. Ene ya nkasa bebre ya bre. Enyima no mabre. To de be kura but aya no pese mo nteme nka. Saturday de be ochina Friday kura be hu ochina Friday news na eba no. Chuku di Jude. Achachuku di Jude be konsem. Because Malope. Say na nka na nse nko mo ji my account o. Manya fasa. Enti na mse mo subscribe Malope TV. Ewo YouTube channel. Producer Factor so mame. Aha. Sa logo na akwa da so. Nkwa GHTV. Nkwa GHTV. O YouTube mo subscribe e no so why. Nkwa GHTV. E no so aba be kan. Na say nko mo ye we na me ye fast. Omo ye bad o. Nkwa GHTV. Erade nka mo nyina ho. Da se na ye be hia makra mo. Bye bye.